Hey everyone, it's the DeFi Bull here, and I'm shooting a short introduction video about the Truegems platform. Truegems is an NFT platform that is originally built for Flare, for the Flare network, and as of now you can pay on the platform with FLR for NFTs, but also with all ERC20 tokens that are available on the Flare network. So that's a great start, and I am sure these guys are going to be successful. So what do we see here in the image? This is the main page, truegems.io. Here's a picture of some Genesis passes. You can obtain a portion of the fees that the platform is earning. You can get an overview of trending collections. There are auctions going on, and there's the true gems amongst the collections that have been launched already. I think we will see a big rise in these kind of collections, especially if we get more and more NFTs which provide utility. So I'm very excited about that. They also have a launch pad. So if you launch an NFT collection in combination with the focus team who's behind Truegems, then you can actually get this all sorted out in collaboration with them, and you can actually obtain a blue check mark. And pretty soon there will be an opportunity to potentially advertise your own project. There's a perfect way. Go to settings. You can fill in, you can put in the logo, you can make a nice banner for your project, put in a name and a description, what your project's about. You can obviously create your own collection. There will be a launch pad as well, where you can give in multiple other features as well. Now, for the sake of the length of this video, I don't want to make it too long. One very cool thing here, if you have a physical product, you want to sell it through an NFT, then they have a built-in Web3 messaging system. So if somebody sends you, let's say FLR for a physical product, and they can send you a message, or you can send them a message with the internal Web3 very safe system, so they can get their shipping details, etc. to you in a very safe manner. So this concludes the short introduction. Yeah, look out for more updates in this playlist that I'm creating with this first video. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the following video.